Spasm Leafy cameo.
Isn't it time for rivalry revenge?
No!
It's rival time. Wait, didn't we already play that?
Well, yeah, you did. But let's play it again. You know, for good measure.
Does it look like a carry piece of...
We received 1 vote. A new record. Josh, no! Shut up! Your goal is to get to the ground by jumping or falling without using the materials at the top.
Hey, watch where you're going, hippie!
Squirt Gun and Cowboy Hat are up for elimination. And since Bowling Ball fell off the platform, he's one of the 5 contestants that get immunity. Oh yeah, my prize!
That's it. I'm out of ideas.